Again, I will read the direction, the instructions, how to play. So we have two teams. The first team is Young and the second team is Teacher. Okay, so you turn choosing a box. Then I will click the box to reveal the points we need. The team with the most points is the winner. Okay, so your turn.
No, it's your turn.
Okay, so my turn. So I have here a whiteboard and a marker. I will record our points. Okay, so this one, this boy is Young. Okay, Young. This is
I don't want you.
okay, what? Kioske?
Yeah.
Okay, sure, my dear, no problem. So this girl, the little girl, is Teacher Sha. Okay?
Huh?
This is Teacher Sha and this is you, Kioske. Okay? So this is our board. Board. Okay, my turn. So I think I need to choose the number 4. The 4th. Okay, let me check how many points. I got only 3 points. Okay, next, your turn.
I want that.
You need to read, remember?
That is a first, second, third, fourth. You just choose Kyung.
Ano?
That is a first, second, third.
First, second.
Only one. You choose
One.
one.
First.
Okay, first. Yeah, you got 2 points. Okay,
You have the winner here.
I think my number is 20th. I got 4.
I think 30S.
What?
30. 30S.
What? Where's
30S.
it's 30th.
30S.
30th. Oh my
Wow! Good job!
Very good. So you got 2 and 5 and teacher is 3 and 4. I think you're gonna win. Okay, my turn. I choose number 7. Your turn.
20S.
Oh, there's no 20th.
I think
So you will choose second, third,
21.
Oh, there's no 21. You only choose 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
19.
Okay. 5 points again. Wow, good job, Kyung, ha? So,
Good job.
Kyung is 2, 5, 5, and teacher is 3, 4, 1.
One is correct.
Okay, I choose number 11.
Oh
My goodness. I'm not expected. Okay. Okay, your turn.
15.
15.
50th.
Okay. You got 3 points. Oh my goodness. Now my turn. I need to
Who's win?
I think you because I only got 3, 4, 1, 1 and you got 2, 5, 5, 3. I need to get the 5 points. I think I need to choose 5th. What again? What happened?
You get one?
Oh
Oh
my
my
goodness. Okay. Your
Yeah.
Yeah.
14.
40, yes.
40, yeah. 40.
You got 1 point, Kyung Kyung. Okay, my turn.
Just,
I need to
take it to
choose.
siya.
Hey, what?
One.
Okay, wait for me. It's my turn. I need to choose number third. Ah! Always one. Oh my God. Aw, your turn.
16.
Okay. Ah! 5 points. Wow. Okay, so our score are 2. Your score are 2, 5, 5, 3, 1, 5, and my score 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1.
You always won.
Yeah, loser. Okay. Your turn or my turn?
It's my turn.
Okay. What number?
Read.
Huh?
Read.
Okay, fifth. Oh, there's no fifth. We just 6. I just choose second, 6, 8, 9, 12, 17, 18.
10.
Dun, 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 dun. 4 points. Oh my goodness. My turn. Second. I choose second. Oh, 1 again. Why? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1. Your turn.
Third.
What?
Third.
Third.
Only what?
You choose 6, 8, 12, 17, 18.
6.
6. 3 points. Wow, you got a lot of highest points, huh? Okay, my turn. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I think
Hey,
I
Teacher Sha.
Why?
1.
I'm so
Number
nervous.
1.
Okay, you need to motivate me. Motivate Teacher Sha. Okay, I think I choose 8. For the first time, I got 5. Okay, my turn. Uh-oh.
Only what?
9, 12, 17, 18.
9.
Okay, you choose 9. 5 points too. My turn. I think I need to choose number 18. Uh-oh. 2 points. Your turn, my dear.
That's only 1.
You choose 12 or 17.
12.
Okay. Oh my goodness, you got 4. And the last one is 17. Only 3 points. Okay, just wait. Let me count your score, ha? So 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. So your score is 37. And wait for my score. 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 3. Uh-oh. I only got 22 and you got